NAIA Terminal 3, one of the 4 terminals. It serves the international flights. The terminal has the capacity to handle about 13 million passengers per year. It has 24 boarding gates and 140 check-in counters. It's almost 11 o'clock p.m. We are in Gate 112. A gate is an area of an airport that provides a waiting area for passengers before boarding their flight. We'll wait here until our Etihad Airways switch flight number EY421 are called for boarding.
Etihad Airways calls the attention of the following ongoing guests: Mr. Ryan Perrano, Mr. Samuel Perrano,